Come on, Kanye! Crafting with Cass, let's go.
And welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back for another DIY. So I'm going to jump in some more challenges, and this project is going to be in participation with the DIY Mommy's Spring Outdoor and Decor Challenge. And I'm going to make sure that I link the playlist in the description box below so you can check out some of the other projects as well as the channel for the DIY Mommy so you can check her out. So in this particular project, I'm going to be revamping some flamingo materials that I got from the Dollar Tree and creating some stylish outdoor decor. So if you want to see how I flipped these flamingo materials from the Dollar Tree, then let's go ahead and let's get right started.
Perfect.
So I used two of the shadow boxes from the Dollar Tree. I flipped them over and I removed the hinges and I spray painted them both black. And I used both of these boxes as the base for the outdoor decor. And I took the two wooden plaques apart and used those to place on top of the base. After I got the plaque glued down, then I cut a slit on the top of both of the flamingos so that I could add the faux grass. Then I added some stacked foam blocks inside of the open slit for the flamingo. After I finally got the faux grass in the opening of where I cut the hole, then I added some green moss around the perimeter of the open hole to cover up the opening. And after I finished one flamingo, then I duplicated the process for the second one. And after I finished both flamingos, then I stacked them on top of each other facing opposite sides. And I didn't use the metal legs that came with the flamingos. I decided to use some bamboo skewers that I used in a previous project so that I was able to actually cut the skewer and I could use it for more of a structural solution. So for the next DIY, I used some Dollar Tree drawstring bags and I removed the string. And then I started filling the bags with some pillow filler that I got from the craft store. And I thought I tried using the easy method with using a glue gun to adhere the seams, but that was kind of difficult because it was so hot. And then I actually was wrestling with the pillow for a while, and so some of the clip I actually had to put in my lap to actually get the seam to actually come together. Then I removed the tabs from the end of the bottom of the original bags, and then I added some pom-poms around the perimeter of the pillow for some added decoration. Thanks for watching, and stick around and check out some of these other affordable DIY projects.